Hi, this is Jay for Pete's Tire Barns, and today I want to tell you about how Cooper is expanding their line of budget-friendly all-season tires with the new Starfire Solarus AS tire. Boasting all-season performance for passenger cars and crossover utility vehicles, the Starfire Solarus replaces the Starfire SF340 and the Starfire RSC 2.0 and features a new tread compound and profile to offer drivers a smoother ride and a more controlled handling over its predecessors. Carefully selected sipe placement give the Starfire Solarus AS a more biting edge over its predecessors, and lateral shoulder grooves mean traction will hold true through the life of the tread. The Cooper Starfire Solarus AS is now available in 52 sizes. For the Cooper Starfire Solarus AS and many more tires like it, contact our online store at petestirestore.com or stop by one of our many Pete's Tire Barns locations today.